Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fold your Ford Fiesta's back seat, a simple process to expand your cargo space. To begin, make sure the entire rear seat area is completely clear of any items like bags or coats. This prevents anything from getting caught or damaged during the folding process. Also, slide the front seats forward a bit. This creates necessary room for the rear seat backs to lay down properly, making the next steps much easier. Next, let's address the headrests. You'll find a small release button at the base of each rear headrest. Press this button firmly while simultaneously pulling the headrest straight up. For the flattest possible cargo area, it's best to remove them entirely. If your headrests have two buttons, press both to fully release them. This simple step prevents the headrests from obstructing the seat backs as they fold down, ensuring a smoother, more even surface. Now for the main event, folding the seat backs. Look for the release buttons, usually located on the top outer corners of the rear seat backs. Press the button firmly, then push the seat back forward and down into the footwell area. Many Ford Fiesta models feature a practical 60-40 split, allowing you to fold one side independently. This flexibility is great for carrying longer items while still accommodating a passenger in the back. With the seats folded, take a moment to ensure all seatbelts are clear and not trapped beneath the folded sections. This prevents damage to the belts and ensures they function correctly when the seats are returned upright. Double-check that the seat backs are securely latched into their new, folded position. You've now successfully transformed your Fiesta's interior, gaining a much larger, more versatile cargo area, perfect for groceries, sports gear, or even small furniture pieces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.